Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I am unboxing the My Creative Scrapbook August main kit. Now, if you're not already a kit subscriber, I will leave a link down below in the description box where you can join, and be sure to add my name to the comments to let My Creative Scrapbook know that I sent you, because you will receive a free gift. All right, let's go ahead and get to unboxing this. I absolutely love this kit. It actually has taken me by surprise. The color scheme is so different than anything I've ever seen. So what you're looking at here, this is the Simple Stories Open Road Collection. And here we have a cut apart sheet, both 3x4s and 4x6. So perfect for all your travel and vacation. And then this, I don't know if you can see that, it's like a map on the back. Then this one, we've got like a grid paper here with some flowers on the bottom. And then here are some gorgeous florals in that mustard color and like the salmon. Here we've got like a city map. Love that. And then on the back, ooh, these pretty stripes in both the teal and the green. Then we've got a green background with butterflies on it. This color combination is just so unique. Ooh, and then look at this plaid. So pretty with the green stripes and white stripes. Here we've got a journaling cut apart card. Looks like most of these, I think, are 3x4 in size. These are nice. And then when I flip this over, oh, a gorgeous diagonal stripe. Love that. We've got another cut apart here with words like adventure, and we've got enjoy the view. So different sizes here. Oh, I love this one. Look at this heart. It's like a road. That's super cute. I might have to fussy cut that out. Then we've got this orange map. That's so unique. Then we've got this pretty paper here with all the stripes. And then another map. So just different kinds of maps and different colors. So fun for documenting your travel. Here we've got a sun on the bottom. And then on the back, we've got this gorgeous mustard color design. Here we've got a tag cut apart. I love the Simple Stories tags. There's that like roadway with a heart again. Great sentiments on here. You could also fussy cut some of these images. And then on the back, I love this, how it's got like the design at the top and then lines so you can journal. This next pattern paper has lots of arrows just going all different directions. And then this just kind of reminds me of like an old advertisement maybe. Super cute collection. All right, also included in your kit this month are the Simple Stories stickers. So here you can see like explore, we've got a car, travel, let's go. I'm gonna take this out. Simple Stories has changed the way that they package their sticker sheets. They're now 6x12, so they fold them in half. So when you open it up, it's a full 12x12 sheet. So we've got more icons. We've got some journaling or some wordy bits on the bottom. And then I love that there's some border strips along the edge as well. These are really, really cute. I can't wait to use these on my projects. There's also a few florals mixed in and some butterflies, but mostly icons here. Oh my gosh, there's like chips, ice cream, and a soda. That's me. They made that one for me. And that says nice view. I like that. So really cute stickers. And then next in our kit, we have the puffy stickers. So these are amazing. Look at all these titles. Oh my goodness. Adventure, Rome, Happy Day, Family. Then we've got like North, South. I think we have East and West also. Open Road. There's a camera, a sun. Got some cactuses. Fun. Let's go. And then mile 1, mile 2, mile 3. Super cute. Also included in our kit is a pre-cut cut file. So this one says pack your bags, but then you also receive a code that you can go onto the My Creative Scrapbook website and get any of their cut files, or recut this one if you want in a different size. So I love that we get that perk included in the kit. We also get some, I think this is called jute, right? Or twine. And then the full pack of ephemera here, this is the Bits and Pieces Open Road. And it says there's, oh my gosh, 116 pieces in this. So I'm going to flip through some of these so you can get an idea of what's included in the kit. And so let's start looking at these. Here we've got this cute one, adventure. We've got like a diner, old-fashioned diner. We've got some cars. We've got camping. We've got trees. I know there's mountains in here. Journey. Like a speedometer, I think. We've got a camper. Just really, really usable pieces. And again, this color combination is just so unique. Now, if you're not already a kit subscriber, you can subscribe at the link below, but be sure to check out the My Creative Scrapbook website because there will be lots of inspiration posted from all the other design team members, and I'm just showing you the main kit. There are several other kits that you can choose from on the website. So this is the main kit. We have the limited edition kit, which is more like vintage style. Then we've got a creative kit. We've got an album kit. So be sure to check out the website to see which kit is right for you, or maybe you want to subscribe to several of the kits because they're all amazing. And there is just so much product jam-packed into all these kits. I absolutely love them. And I love all the inspiration that the design team shares as well. So you're never going to be short for ideas because there's lots out there. There's also a My Creative Scrapbook Facebook group, so you can share your projects in there. We would love to see what you're creating. And if you have any questions about any of the kits, you're welcome to leave them down below in the comments and I will get back with you. All right, so I am still flipping through all these embellishments. Look at that little bottle of Coke. Oh my gosh, there's a little bottle of water. I saw chips in here too. A cute little heart with like a mountain scene. Good times ahead. Camera. I always love cameras. And just cute little pieces like camping tents. And then there's clouds and butterflies and just so many things. So this is going to be so fun to create with. Here we go. Oh, there's a bear. I love that. And so I am going to start looking through my photos to see which ones I want to document first with this kit. I'm thinking we went to Colorado a couple years ago on vacation, so I might use some of that. My son just ran an ultra race, so I'm thinking that would be good for this maybe. So lots of ideas are already flowing, just some vacation photos. So I can't wait to get creating with this kit. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. And if you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.